Which of the following metals are widely used for handling fresh water? A. Cast iron. B. Stainless steel. C. Galvanized steel. D. Cast iron, stainless steel and galvanized steel. The correct answer is cast iron, stainless steel and galvanized steel. Which of the following impurities contaminates the brackish water due to tidal action in rivers and bays near the ocean? A. Chlorides. B. Bromides. C. Hydrides. D. Metal oxides. The correct answer is chlorides. Which of the following types of corrosion has been seen in stainless steels in high purity water containing oxygen? A. Cracking of solution quenched stainless steel only. B. Intergranular attack and cracking of solution quenched steel. C. Intergranular attack only. D. Neither intergranular corrosion nor cracking of solution quenched steel. The correct answer is intergranular attack and cracking of solution quenched steel. Corrosion by seawater at greater depth is usually decreased because of the lower temperature. A. False. B. True. C. D. The correct answer is true. Which of the following type of water is more corrosive? A. Hard water. B. Hard and soft water. C. Soft water. D. High purity water. The correct answer is soft water. Which of the following metals have high resistance to crevices in quiet seawater? A. Hastelloy. B. Titanium. C. Hastelloy and titanium. D. Nickel copper alloy. The correct answer is Hastelloy and titanium. Which of the following are true regarding seawater? A. It contains 3.4 salt. B. It has a pH around 8. C. It is a good electrolyte with high electrical conductivity. D. Seawater is a good electrolyte with high electrical conductivity with 3.4 salt and pH around 8. The correct answer is seawater is a good electrolyte with high electrical conductivity with 3.4 salt and pH around 8. Which of the following factors that affect the corrosivity in fresh water? A. Oxygen content. B. Hardness. C. Chloride content. D. Oxygen content, hardness and chloride content. The correct answer is oxygen content, hardness and chloride content. Which of the following regions of the seacoast environment shows the effect of the pitting of metals and alloys? A. Quiet seawater. B. High tide region. C. Low tide region. D. Splash region. The correct answer is quiet seawater. Which of the following region of the seacoast environment have high corrosion based on the given figure? A. Quiet seawater. B. Splash region. C. High tide area. D. Mudline. The correct answer is splash region. Which of the following corrosion defects that affect the reliability of tubing? A. Selective weld metal attack. B. Improper pickling and heat treatment. C. Residual stresses, selective weld metal attack, improper pickling and heat treatment. D. Selective weld metal attack and residual stresses. The correct answer is residual stresses, selective weld metal attack, improper pickling and heat treatment. Which of the following are the factors that affect corrosion in seawater? A. Temperature and velocity. B. Oxygen content and biological organisms. C. Temperature, velocity, oxygen content and biological organisms. D. Temperature, velocity and oxygen content. The correct answer is temperature, velocity, oxygen content and biological organisms. Which of the following alloy has high cavitation resistance that usually used for ship propellers and pumps impellers in seawater? A. Titanium. B. Stellite. C. 17-7 stainless steel. D. Nickel, aluminum, bronze. The correct answer is Stellite. Corrosion decreases with an increase in the purity of water. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Which of the following metals alloys are used for handling high-purity water in nuclear applications? A. Zirconium and its alloys. B. Stainless steels. C. Inconel and Incolor. D. Zirconium and its alloys. Stainless steels, Inconel and Incolor. The correct answer is zirconium and its alloys. Stainless steels, Inconel and Incolor.